Welcome back to my channel. This chicken recipe brings a whole lot of memories for me. It's something that my amma used to make it for me every time I needed some comfort food. It's simple, basic, but so flavorful that I decided to share it with you guys as well. So let's get started. This looks so mouth-watering. Trust me, make this a staple dish in your weekly food schedule and thank me later. Use more garlic to get an amplified taste. You can have it with roti, boiled rice, or even pulao. Enjoy, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more recipes.